today I'm going to show you guys how to start a Hawk or a TBR7 or a similar bike with no key. I've showed you this on 50cc scooters, and today I figured it out on the TBR7. We're on the crutches, so I didn't have anything else to do. We have the lawnmower battery here. No key in the ignition. That's in the off position. Now what you're going to want to do is find the wire that goes to your ignition, the key switch. You don't need to take all these plastics and stuff off. Maybe just the headlight, or if you can find it without taking your headlight off, just unplug the key switch. This is the one for the headlight. And then we have two wires here going to the battery. You come down here to your starter, take this little boot off. That's where your positive is going to go. You can put your negative anywhere. I'm just going to use this bolt here. I think you guys can see it right there. I'll just put the positive on the starter. Take our other one, ground it out. So now your TBR7 is running with no key in the ignition. Not even plugged in. Good to go, as long as the steering's not locked. Lock the steering, that doesn't matter. Turn it on, key's not connected. As soon as you plug the key switch back in, it's going to shut off. And then to shut it off, just hit your kill switch. Good to go. So that's how you can start your TBR7 or Hawk250 with no key. And the kickstart will work too once you unplug that key switch. I just can't show you right now because I'm on the crutches, so it's the same thing as the 50cc scooters. The kickstart will always work as a backup even if you don't have a battery or the key switch plugged in. So the reason I'm working on my TBR7 wiring is because the ignition keeps draining down the battery. So I'll show you that in the next video when we work through the TBR7 issues. So if you have any other questions on TBR7s or Hawks, comment down below and I might be able to answer them.